Mohammad Enayatul Haq Johnny. I am a full-time MBA student at Coventry University. Name of the organization where I experienced the change is Quantenite. It is a business process outsourcing company who provides different types of services to their clients such as sales enablement, RPA managed services, digital marketing services, data labeling, annotation, and so on. It is an international company who has branches in USA, UK, Bangladesh, and South Africa. It has started journey in 2014. Mikko Tamminen is a CEO of this company. During the pandemic time, this company faced several changes such as work from home due to COVID-19, technological changes, organizational management changes, training, privacy policies. The company moved from physical to online work, technological, introduced new technologies and how to use the technologies, privacy policies, set some standards to protect the client information and security, training, make employees familiar with change by providing proper training to them, organizational management, set a new management process for doing and monitor the task, build trust, transparency because they are working remotely, etc. Situational leadership approach. Under situational leadership, leaders can change or adapt new management system based on existing environment to protect the objective or purpose of the company. Quantenite took a situational leadership approach during the COVID-19 pandemic. They shifted their work from physical to virtual. They brought this organizational change based on the current situation. Government imposed lockdown all over the country, and due to this, people were not allowed to go to office. After analyzing the existing situation, they changed their overall management system. They started doing work from home. They brought some technological development for completing the task, employees attendance, inquiry, payment, announcement, etc. Requirements of using situational leadership approach. Insight. Leaders should be able to understand the existing environment to bring appropriate change in the organization. Flexibility. Transform the new strategy seamlessly. Trust. The leader should be trustable to all employees for successful implementing the change. Coach. Leaders should understand the capabilities and competencies of their employees, and based on that they have to bring changes to the management. Problem solving. Leaders need to identify the problem and proper solution of the problem with sustainability. Situational leadership according to the Blanchard and Hersey. Basically, there are 4 styles available under situational leadership: telling, selling, participating, delegating. Based on the situation, leaders can choose one of them. Leaders can choose telling, where they need high task, low relation. Where they need high task, high relation, they can choose selling. Participating leadership, basically when there needs low task, high relation. Delegating, low task, low relation. Quantenite are dividing the responsibilities of individuals, such as how they have to deal with the clients or submit their work, etc. They provided proper training on required technology under these leaders following high task and high relation. Advantages of situational leadership. According to the situation, leaders can make a decision, quick responsive decisions based on the urgency, reduce the uncertainty or volatility. Ethical leadership. Ethical leaders set ethical standards and reflect the moral values in the organization through their behavior. It helps employees to perform their duties accurately and providing benefits to the stakeholders by making a decision. Leaders must combine organizational and personal values to achieve the corporate goal by setting proper laws and rules. Quantenite has standard values such as accountability, growth, creating better work environment, gender equality, and so on. Leaders' values also express the authenticity of the team, motive employees, provide training to familiar with change and improve their skills, set a standard code of conduct. By doing this, all leaders can make a proper atmosphere. Accountable for making mistakes for employees as well as for leaders, so establishing equal rights in the organization. Quantenite wants to provide accurate information to its client within the time frame, for delivering uninterrupted service to the clients. Without further delay, they changed the overall management system during the pandemic and provided training to the employees for the accurate service. Change path. For change path, basically here we have to look 5 stages: identification, presentation, planning, evaluation, and communication. Identification. Here leaders have to identify the current situation and future situation and what about will be the outcomes. Presentations. They have to fix the processes. They have to analyze the risk evaluation, cost of change. Planning. Under planning, they have to analyze, they have to do measurement and resistance. Evaluation. They have to collect information, collect funding, and have to take proper action. Communication. They have to set proper plan and they need to share those plans with all other stakeholders and take others' viewpoints. Lewin's change management model. This change model was developed by Kurt Lewin in the 1940s. This model has 3 segments which are unfreeze, change, and freeze. Unfreeze. Under this, company needs to understand the importance of change. Quantinite first identified due to the shutdown for the COVID-19, they cannot run their business. Due to government restrictions, people were not allowed to attend the offices. So they have implemented a new management strategy to avoid the interruptions of their operations. Otherwise, they will face numerous problems such as poor financial performance, plummeted sales, losing clients, etc. Change. Here companies are finding solutions to solve their problems. Quantinite finds out a solution to do work from home during the COVID-19 situation until government uplift the restriction. For making it possible, it changed the old management strategy. Provide adequate training to the employees with a new working environment, empower them and develop technologies to support the change. Refreeze. Support staff by providing time-to-time feedback, arrange training for them, make them prepared to accept any future changes. Make use of employees with new norms, beliefs, standards and changes. Make the change. Quarters change model. Quarters introduce 8 steps to change. First, create a sense of urgency. Understand the need of change. Companies will realize for surviving, they have to sell their products or services online. From guiding coalition, Mikko Tamminen is the CEO of the Quantinite, and he shared the idea with others and collected feedback from others for implementing the concept. Develop the strategic vision. By analyzing the future employees' perspective, create a clear and viable vision for achieving the organizational goal. Communication for buy-in. Make clear the vision to the employees for getting their cooperation and help. Empower action. Implemented the change in Quantinite started work from home. Before doing this, Quantinite provided training, support and monitoring employees to transition and remove barriers successfully. Create short-term wins. Set short-term goals to motivate all. Doing these changes serve their service to their clients within due time, which helps them sustain themselves during this pandemic. Do not let up. Maintain the change by doing improvements, feedback and analyzing the weaknesses of employees, setting goals consistently to engage with change. Make change stick. Hold this change for a more extended period. Collect suggestions or ideas from staff to improve. Quantinite is planning to make this change permanent for their some sectors. Recommendations. For recommendations such as provide appropriate training to the staffs to tackle any uncertainty, such as what skills employee need to improve or learn by using effective way of training. Leader should develop or learn skills to face any future challenges, so he will be able to give directions to the employees to the right path. Change should be clear to everyone and align the change with organizational goal and objectives. Build a proper communication strategy such how to manage the change and process of collecting feedback. Identify future possible challenges, their impacts, and based on that make proper contingency plan to counter those problems. Analyze internal and external environment before applying any change model.